Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be tying an olive CDC. It's going to be a Quill body. So in the vise I have the Dohiku hook, size 16. I think that, like I said before, can't mind how to pronounce it. So it's that hook there, and the thread I'm using is olive Dun UNI thread in 8/0. So we'll get started. So run a bed of thread down the hook. Oh, it's caught in the eye there. I've already waxed the thread, so just take this down the bend. It's a simple fly to tie this, but very effective on the rivers. So stop there and cut off the waist, then come back up, just skip your way back up and just stop at the thorax area. And for the wing I've already selected 5 CDC feathers. The reason I'm using 5 because that's a wet fly hook. These are all lined up. So the wing is entirely up to yourself. As it's a sighter, I like it a wee bit longer. I'll pull it a bit shorter than that though. Right, that should be fine there. Just tie this in and cut this at an angle to encourage a taper, and touch and turns all the way back down. And for the body I've got an olive quill. I like the tighter at the thick end, and just bring the thread back up. Just stop there. And the quill I'm using is the olive Polish quills. So before I take the quill out of the body, I'm going to add a bit of super glue just to make the fly last a bit longer. It's quite tacky. So it's just a wee dab of this. Don't want too much. Just spread that out with a needle. So I'll just bring the quill up, touch and turns. So here in the UK the weather's a bit pants just now, so we're not really getting out fishing. So I'll tie this off. Cut off the waist. And for the thorax I'm using this SLF squirrel dub, and the one I'll be using is the brown olive. Just a small pinch. Let's dub this on. So what I want is 2 turns behind the CDC and pull the CDC back and right and tight with the CDC a couple of turns. And this fly almost done. Quick and easy. Just see a wee bit of fibre there. So to finish the fly off, just a wee dab of varnish on the thread. That's enough. Just a small fly. and get your whip finish tool and hold back the CDC and 3 or 4 turns of the whip finish. That's it. A couple of fibres underneath there, I could just trim them away. So there you are guys, that's a quilled bodied CDC Emerger. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.